From AI automation to industry tools, Acumatica 2026 R1 delivers the essential ingredients needed to whisk up new opportunities and efficiency. First, sprinkle AI everywhere into your operations. Our improved AI assistant serves up instant insights. AI summarized CRM cases and opportunities expedite decisions. And new data masking guards your private recipes. It's the secret sauce for making agile decisions. Next, savor real-time visibility and control with enhanced AP automation powered by Bill. Process credit card payments on the go. Blend opportunity, quote, and case history into a single view with activity streams. And empower customer self-service with the reimagined customer portal. Enjoy a unified experience with seamless adaptability. Quickly find documents with system-wide file tagging, embedded PDF annotation, and improved workflows for e-signatures and report updates. Keep your team in sync, like a perfectly coordinated feast. Our industry depth serves up solutions for every discerning palate. Distributors relish adaptable picking locations, while manufacturers savor real-time analytics with the modern shop floor kiosk. Merchants benefit from improved B2B sales platforms in BigCommerce and the customer portal. Construction, professional services, and field service teams deliver time savings with automated project document management. Also, simplify project material procurement plans with a single all-in-one material list. With Acumatica 2026 R1, you have the perfect recipe to turn every challenge into a masterpiece. Let's raise the bar and serve success on a silver platter together.